Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the best 3 plasma cutting machines in 2025, you're in the right place. Plasma cutters are essential whether you're a DIY hobbyist, a garage builder, or a professional fabricator. But with so many options out there, finding the perfect one can be tricky. Don't worry, I've done the research for you. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 plasma cutters on Amazon USA, covering their features, pros, cons, and real customer feedback. Stick around till the end because the third machine might surprise you. Let's dive in. Product 1. Plasma Cutter, 35 amps 110V single phase. The Plasma Cutter inverter machine is designed with beginners and hobbyists in mind. It's compact, lightweight, and very easy to use, perfect for small workshop projects. Pros: affordable price point. Simple controls, great for first-time users. Portable design, easy to carry anywhere. Cons: limited cutting thickness compared to higher-end models. Not suitable for heavy-duty industrial work. Customer review: many US buyers praised it for being super easy to set up and cutting cleaner than expected for the price. However, some mentioned it's best for light-duty use only. Product 250 amp air inverter plasma cutter. Next up is the professional dual voltage plasma cutter. Ideal for those who want flexibility and more cutting power. It supports dual voltage, making it adaptable whether you're working in your garage or a professional shop. Pros: dual voltage for versatile, 110 voltage / 220 voltage. Strong cutting capacity for steel and aluminum. LCD display for better control. Cons: slightly heavier than beginner models. Higher learning curve for complete beginners. Customer review: U.S users love its powerful performance and ability to slice through thick metals easily. Some mention the fan can be noisy, but performance makes up for it. Product 3. Plasma Cutter 55 amp PLC 55 dual voltage plasma cutting. The plasma cutter is a solid all-rounder with a good balance of power and portability. It's widely used by DIY enthusiasts and small business owners across the US. Pros: reliable performance with clean cuts. Compact size, easy to transport. Energy-efficient design. Cons: doesn't include an air compressor. Cutting speed slightly slower on very thick metals. Customer review: customers noted excellent value for money and appreciated how stable and smooth the cutting process was. A few reviews mentioned it works best for medium-duty projects. And that wraps up our review of the best 3 plasma cutting machines for 2025. Whether you're a beginner going with the bestarc inverter, a serious user choosing the dual voltage cutter, or a balanced option like the 55 amp PLC 55 dual voltage, there's a plasma cutter here for every need and budget. I've added the Amazon links in the description so you can check today's best deals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your DIY friends. Thanks for watching.